Hello students, you are watching Sure Success classes. In this session, we are going to learn fractions. In our daily life, we say that I would like to have half cup of tea. Half means we can write it as 1/2. This is a fractional number and set of such type of numbers is called fractions. And the fractions should includes whole numbers and the parts of whole numbers. We will see more about fractions. We will see the concept fractions with the help of examples. If there are two children and they have the chocolate bar, at that time it have to be divided into two equal parts. And each child will get one part out of two equal parts. Each child will get one part out of two equal parts. If there are three friends and they have pizza, at that time each friend will get one part out of three equal parts. And if there are four family members and they have cake, then each family member will get one part out of four parts, four equal parts. So the fractions means nothing but the representation of a part out of a whole. See here. Students, when we write the fractions, at that time we will write the total number of equal parts below this line. This line is called fractional bar. Total number of equal parts. And we will write the part which is being considered above this fractional bar. And this number above the fractional bar is called numerator, and the number below the fractional bar is called denominator. If you see in this example, equal parts are 2 and each child will get one part, means 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. Similarly in this example, 1 is numerator and 3 is denominator. And in this example, 1 is again numerator and 4 is denominator. Students, one more important thing about fraction is that fraction is related to division. How it is related to division, we will see through the example. If the division fact is 21 divided by 3, we can write it as 21 divided by 3. Here 21 is dividend and 3 is divisor. And in fraction we can say that here 21 is numerator and 3 is denominator, means this is also fraction. And we will get here result as a 7, means we will get here result whole number. So the fractions represent whole number and also fractional numbers. Fractional numbers are 1/2, 3/5, and whole numbers, representation of whole numbers means 16/4, 0/5. These are the whole numbers and these are the fractional numbers. So fractions represent whole numbers as well as fractional numbers. And you should keep in mind, here denominator is not equal to 0. Denominator is not equal to 0 because we can't divide any number by 0. It is meaningless. Students, let's learn fractional part of collection. We will see this through the example. Suppose there is collection of 15 balls. They are equal size and shape. and they are divided into 5 equal groups, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And if we take 3 groups out of those 5 groups, means there are 5 equal groups, we will write it at denominator as a denominator. And if we take 3 groups out of these 5 groups, means 3, we can write 3 as a numerator. Of from 15 balls, this is fraction for these 15 balls, so here we will write of 15 balls. And as per Bodmer's rule, of means multiplication, so here we will write 3 by 5 into 15. If we count these balls in 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and if we perform this operation, then we will see what do we get. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, and 3 into 3 means 9. It is equal to our counting. Means in this way we can find out fractional part of collection. Students, let's solve this example. The concept of this example is also similar to previous example, so let's go through it. Here we have to find out 7/9 fraction of 18 pencils. Total number of pencils are 18, so we will solve it in this way. 7 by 9 into 18, of means multiplication. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 7 into 2, 14. So the answer will be 14. So the 7/9 fraction of 18 pencils is 14. Students, let's solve questions on fractions. Question is, for each diagram write down number of equal parts, number of shaded parts, fraction for shaded part and fraction for unshaded part. Here the diagram are given and we have to write the answers of these questions. In first diagram, number of equal parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number of shaded parts are these 1, 2, 3, 4. Students, any student can tell the answers of these type of questions, but for these type of questions, the purpose of this session is to clear the concept of fractions. So let's move ahead. Fraction for shaded part. When we write such type of fractions, at that time we will write total number of equal parts as a denominator. Total number of equal parts are 7. We will write it here. And for shaded part, we will count the shaded part 1, 2, 3 and 4. Out of these 7 parts, 4 parts are shaded. So the fraction for shaded part is 4 by 7. And next is fraction for unshaded part. If you see here, unshaded part are 1, 2, 3. Out of 7 parts, 3 parts are unshaded. So fraction for that is 3 by 7. And in next diagram, number of equal parts are 1, 2, 3, 4. We will write the number of equal parts 4. Number of shaded parts 1, 2, 3. These are the shaded parts. We will write here. Then fraction for shaded part. Fraction for shaded part means out of total parts. Total parts are 4 and out of those parts 3 parts are shaded. So we will write 3 as a numerator and 4 as a denominator. So the fraction for shaded part is 3 by 4. And for second diagram, fraction for unshaded part. Here unshaded part is this one, means only one part is unshaded out of 4 parts. For Fraction for unshaded part is 1/4. This appeal is to students as well as their parents. If you like the videos of Sure Success classes, kindly subscribe our channel and don't forget to press bell icon. Share this video with your friends, and if you have any query or suggestion, kindly mention in comment box.